In this video, we show you how to install our Solution Libelle BusinessShadow on your system. To do so, download the newest BS kernel installation zip file and unzip it to your desired location. For the next step, open the folder of the unzipped file and execute the setup command. In the graphical user interface, you can now select your preferred language and the option Install. Click Next. After you have read and accepted the license agreement, you can click Next, and in the section Setup Type, choose Install on a remote machine. For the connection, pick SSH and fill out the corresponding hostname. Instead of the hostname, you can also enter the IP address as we do in this video. Before you can check the connection for any mistakes, enter a username and a password. Now you can check the connection. If there are no errors, you don't have to fill out any further details and can scroll down to the end of the page. Click Next and proceed with the installation process. Under Settings, in the section General, it is recommended to use the installation path that is picked by default. As next step, please enter the corresponding runtime username and under License Data the corresponding information. Please verify the data and check if all displayed information are correct and complete. When you are ready, click the button to confirm and the installation will start automatically. This may take several minutes and you can follow the progress in the task overview. When the setup is completed, you can exit the installation by Finish or perform a new setup by clicking Restart. For the second system, you can restart the installation. Change the hostname, username and password to fit your second target system. Please repeat the steps from before and check the box for Start Application Now. Click Finish. In the next video of this series, we will show you how to configure Libelle BusinessShadow.